Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Steam profile changes not showing. If you've recently updated your Steam profile but the changes aren't showing up, you're not alone. Whether you've changed your profile picture, display name, bio, or other profile settings, the issue is usually caused by caching or synchronization delays. In most cases, it can be fixed quickly. First, make sure your changes were actually saved. Open Steam, go to your profile, and click Edit Profile. Check whether the updated information is still there. If not, re-enter the changes and click Save before leaving the page. If the changes were saved but are not visible, try refreshing the profile page. Steam often caches profile information, meaning you may still be seeing an older version of the page. Press F5 on your keyboard if you're using a browser, or navigate away from the profile and return to it in the Steam client. Another common solution is to completely restart Steam. Close the Steam client completely instead of simply minimizing it. You can right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and select Exit. Once Steam is completely closed, reopen it and check your profile again. This forces the client to reload account information from Steam's servers. If you're using a web browser to view your profile, browser cache may be the problem. Cached pages can prevent recent profile updates from appearing correctly. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back into Steam and check whether the changes are visible. Sometimes the issue is related to Steam's servers rather than your computer. Steam processes millions of user profiles, and profile updates may take some time to synchronize across all servers. This is especially common when updating profile pictures, animated avatars, profile showcases, or other cosmetic elements. Waiting anywhere from a few minutes to several hours may allow the update to appear naturally. You should also verify whether the issue affects everyone or only your account view. Ask a friend to visit your profile or open it in a private browser window while logged out. If other users can see the updated profile but you cannot, the issue is almost certainly caused by local caching rather than a problem with Steam itself. For profile pictures that refuse to update, try uploading a different image temporarily. Save the change, refresh your profile, and then upload your preferred image again. This can sometimes force Steam to update its cached avatar data. If you've recently changed your display name and the old name continues to appear in some areas, remember that certain Steam features update independently. Friends lists, chats, communities, and game sessions may take longer to reflect profile changes than the profile page itself. As a final step, log out of Steam and log back in. This refreshes account data and often resolves synchronization issues. If none of these solutions work and the changes still don't appear after 24 hours, contacting Steam support may be necessary to investigate a possible account-specific problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.